What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Now, we've all been in that position at one time or another where we have forgotten our cell phone charger, whether it be at your friend's house, your dad's house, the pool party, school, and you have to be somewhere else and your phone is going to die. Now, this means we have to go and pick up a cell phone charger, maybe like at the gas station. Okay, now this happened to me maybe about a week ago where my phone was dead, it did not charge, and I needed to go and pick up a new charger. Now, a lot of these chargers at the gas station aren't that great, they're kind of a quick fix. Now, this charger that I picked up is pretty good. This thing has not fallen apart on me. It's got some special features to it that really no charger on Amazon really has. Now, that means that I'm going to be doing a review for you today with this product and maybe help you, decide that, this is the product that you want to pick up when you go to a gas station, so that way you can actually use the charger down the line instead of, throwing it out a week later because it no longer works. Now, as you can see in this video here, if you've watched my previous content, I am trying out a new lens for my Canon M50. It's the 50mm lens, more for portraits. As you can tell, the background is more blurry in this and it focuses more on the face. Now, before we get into it, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and let's roll that intro. Now, about a week ago, I went to work and I realized that my cell phone did not charge overnight like it normally does. Now, us iPhone users already know that this is a problem sometimes with chargers. After a while they start to not work, whether it be your actual port or whether it be the charger itself. Now, in my case, it's the charger itself. Now, I don't know how it is for you Android users, but us iPhone users know that, this is a problem where, it's either your charging port or your actual charger itself, they just stop working. In my case, it was the charger itself. It's been having issues where it doesn't want to charge sometimes, and you got to keep it at a certain position in order for it to actually charge. Now, this is not something that's uncommon. This normally happens with off-brand charging products that aren't Apple. So I ended up having to go to work with my phone dead, which is not the best thing, So I ended up having to go to the gas station quickly on my lunch break to get a new charger. Now, the first thing I'm thinking is, I don't want to spend, $20 for a freaking charger that I'm only going to use for a day, because I do have other ones at home, but I don't want to drive all the way back home on my lunch break to grab a charger. So I have to pick one up. And I can't go the whole day without having my phone charged. There's a lot of things that I have to do on my phone. So I had to go and pick one up. Now, the charger that I found at the gas station was only $10. And I was like, great, this thing's gonna work only today. So I spent $10 on a charger that I didn't need because I got more at home. Well, this thing has been working pretty good for a long time now. And normally with these gas station chargers, they don't work, for maybe a few days or so before they start breaking on you. This piece of equipment here, this charger, is called the XPRESS Gear iPhone cable and home charger. this is what it looks like here. This is what the box looks like. Back of the box. Now this thing here says 2-port 2.1A. It's for the iPhone only. On the side, it's got symbols. It says syncing, charging, data transfer right there. It might not focus on it. There it is. Let's see, what else does it have? It says it includes one home charger, one 4-foot charge and sync cable, and it has a 1-year limited warranty. That's another thing with this charger here. $10 and $10 for a good quality gas station charger. Now let's open this bad boy up. Okay, so doesn't come with a whole lot because it's $10, but it comes with the only things that you need. Okay, comes with your block, which they call it home charger, and your charging cord. Now this block is a pretty decent design for a gas station charger. It's not very low quality, and it has 2 ports, so you can put in 2 chargers and use this block down the line if you want. You and your buddy or whoever wants to charge theirs as well, you can use this for 2 chargers. Okay, so I found that pretty cool. This alone is worth $10. Now, another cool thing is with this charging cord, yes, it's only 4 foot, which again, $10, but the cord for this is super light, and it's like a bouncy bungee material. It's not like your typical charging cord. This thing it's got its own design. It's thick, so it doesn't break very easily. It's high quality, it's lightweight. You know, you can carry this in your back pocket and not even know that it's in there. That's how light this thing is. Super cool. Works very well. 4 foot is a decent length here. So I mean, I feel like for $10 they did a very good job with this, and because it's built in such high quality for $10, that's why they're able to, you know, give you this 1-year warranty for this product. Now it says Express Gear tech support. You can go to xpressgear.com/support, or they have the contact information if you want to email them. They have the information on the back here as well. You can email them at support@xpressgear.com, or you can also message them through their Facebook, or it says join us on Facebook, Google Plus, and Twitter. Designed in New York, made in China. Okay, again, this is for the iPhone and or your iPad. Now, because this thing is such high quality, you should be able to use this gas station charger for your everyday use for a very long time, until this thing breaks on you. Don't know when that's going to be. Haven't had this one very long yet, but I'm assuming it's not going to be anytime soon. This thing here, what I'm probably going to do with it is I'm going to save this. I'm going to put this in my camera bag because this is very useful. And then this one is going to be a backup charger for me. You know, just in case I have this issue again. It'll probably be in my car. You know, center console is where I'll keep it. So I never have, you know, so I always have a backup. Now I wanted to quickly get on here and do this video for you guys because I realized YouTube doesn't have any videos on this particular brand itself yet. So I wanted to go ahead and do this for you because I know that you guys want to see and know about products that, you know, are actually helpful and, you know, last for a long time. So wanted to get on here and do that for you guys. If you have any questions about the product, just drop the questions down below in the comments. I will be sure to answer those for you. Alright, that's going to be it for me, guys. Thanks a lot for watching. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.